Hello out there in the world. The last time I told you how to divide some polygons into equal distances, and if you try to make it for just a very simple thing, just to divide it into equal spaces for a two-color line, you get in little troubles. I show you. Do you see? Because I made complete new sequences for the new dividings. Here you can see it also. This is not the right way for this kind of operation. So you got the new polygon in the geometry of the old one, but you have to put these old points also in the new one in some cases. Not in the case of a bricklayer or a chain, but in the case for something like this. So how do you do it? This is the same like this. I've got all the new coordinates in this nx and y. Ansammlungswert, I don't know how it's called in English, but there is certainly the expression for this. And if I take this and just make the line with the color and go to the color change, here's the color change, you just get something like this, but you need this point also. So you have to ask some questions to solve. I do it in. So I have this thing made for the new one so that I can see in which segment of the old it is, and I just ask if there's a difference between the one I'm now and the next one. And if it is, we just do something like this. This is the old segment coordinate, and you have to do it from the last new to the next old, from the next old to the next new. If you do it something like this, then you get it. So one thing that's a problem with this, the segments cannot rise over the first segment. So here one segment is a little bit smaller than the first segment from the old polygon, but if I go over it, I just stopped it going over it, because when I don't do this, let's do it. No, that's one. Okay, sorry. I didn't want to start. Okay, here. That's it. If this Abstand, this repeating sentence, is bigger than the first sequence of the old, don't make it bigger. If I do it out, save. So here I am, and I make it bigger. You see what happens. just don't work with this kind of question. So let it be in there so that it okay, so that it can't grow bigger than the first segment. So here's the point. So here it stops. Doesn't matter how long I drawn it. Here it stops. It seems to be okay. It should be a little smaller. Here it jumps. That's interesting. Okay. Just another little piece in the development of such questions. Have a nice day. Greetings from Austria, from Salzburg.